Hello everyone, welcome to Delicious Recipe. Today I'm going to make shakshuka. Basically, shakshuka is a North African and Middle Eastern dish that's eaten for breakfast or any meal of the day. Have you ever had it? If not, you're missing the most delicious poached egg. The word shakshuka literally means oil mixed up. It is really easy to make and it is super delicious. So let's dive into the video. 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan and fry 1 cup finely chopped onions and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic and cook until it softens or until the onion turns translucent. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And then add 2 pieces of green chillies. Add 2 tablespoons of harissa paste. It gives a lovely kick to the dish. And then add a pinch of salt. Next, add freshly chopped tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes are lovely and soft. Season your dish with black pepper and make wells in your spicy sauce and pop your eggs. Then cover and cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes so the whites are set and yolks are still lovely and runny. And to finish, simply sprinkle coriander over. Like this video, comment, share with your loved ones and subscribe and hit the bell button.